What's up, guys? It's Tricky VR. In this video, we're gonna be doing a manhunt, 1v3. Whoever.
Hello.
I gotta be sewers before they kill me. In this video, we got Azuazu2, me, Jay Wade, and Sean.
AJ!
Right.
I'm thinking. He's already gone, bro. He's already gone. He's already gone. Ah! Get him.
Oh crap. Oh, no.
I hit him.
Oh my god!
Oh no.
Guys, only baseball bats, remember.
Are you guys in sewers? I just got down sewers.
Why isn't it working? Oh, never mind. Okay, they're not that close. Oh, I got such a big head start. Guys, I'm already at the end. You know what, guys? I'll give you 10 seconds. I'm gonna stand still for 10 seconds. 8, 9, 10. Also, who's mining? This is more of a weight hunt than a manhunt.
I'm so old.
Alright, no, I'm just gonna beat it already, because if you guys didn't step on the landmine, you guys probably would have got me. Just don't die at this jump. I usually die at it a lot. Last manhunt, I died at it.
Wait, are you still in sewer?
Yeah, I'm at the ending right now, the teleporter. Exit. Alright, I guess I won.